Well, Helen, after working with you for 18 months and changing me and loving me for who I am and not feeling downtrodden, etc., I thought to myself, I'd like to take advantage of this course and give it a go. I've always thought about coaching, and it's something I'd always wanted to do. So now I've got the opportunity to go ahead and do it. I think it's because it said it was a spiritual life coaching course. And there's so many different courses about this type of coaching, helps someone connect to who they really are. Think, oh, this is different. This is coaching. This is coaching like no other. So it grabbed my attention and I thought, I want this. And especially after doing work with you previously, I wanted to dig deeper and I wanted to get to know more. I would say everything, because studying the course, I've not studied that before. So every module was an absolute eye-opener and I couldn't get enough. I was reading online and having a look, but learning about Evolve and what Evolve represented, about expanding the awareness and vitality, observing self, living on purpose, value and exploration. I remembered that. Oh my goodness. The course then opened up each and every one of these and different tools and techniques. So I found the whole course interesting. I particularly liked the positive psychology sections. I found those two sections exceptionally beneficial. Again, I enjoyed everything, but I also enjoyed the group. The dynamics of the group was simply magnetic. Never met these ladies. They were all coaches, they're all professional field. Yet I felt as if I fitted in so well with the group. I feel like I've gained many benefits from it. And I look forward to passing this on in the future with my clients. The energy section, the exploring vitality and well-being. So there was so many. Everything was just transformational. It was, the flow of it was fabulous. It was easy. When I say the course isn't easy, but it was easy to slot it in and to do your other work around it. I found the live workshops fabulous. Fabulous, because I wouldn't have met these ladies. I wouldn't have met them at all because of logistically where they live. So, and you build a rapport with them, and it's so much easier because with the practice work as well, you just practice with them on Zoom or you call them, and it's like being with them. So it's a fabulous way. I initially, when I started doing, I thought, oh, how am I going to get on? But it's just, I think it's taken over to some extent. It's very convenient. If you think you're going to a location and it's going to take you time to get there and time to get back, and that's taking valuable time out of what you could be doing on your coursework. So no, definitely Zoom, coursework, tutorials is the way to go. It's fabulous. So what I want to do is I'm putting together a program of works, and I want to reach out and help people. I want them to connect to who they really are in every possible way. And I want to encompass this with the Reiki that I do as well, because I find that the Reiki really relaxes people. It makes them feel, well, they just open up to you. So this would be the next level. Oh, do it, just do it. Don't even think of not doing it. I always say your gut instinct. If you think, oh yeah, I like the sound of this, go for it. You will not be disappointed. Helen is an absolute amazing coach, fantastic coach. You would never do better.